Hi everyone, I'm Jincy from Gems Abroad. In this video, I'm going to share a proven strategy to score high in LanguageCert Academic Writing. Whether it's a summary or essay or a report, these tips will help you write clearly, accurately, and you can impress the examiners. So to begin with, I'll share my screen with you. Okay, as you can see, LanguageCert Writing Test High Scoring Strategy. Master the academic writing test with proven strategies and expert tips for maximum scores. So, about the test overview, the time is about 15 minutes. Okay, so you will get 15 minutes and there will be two tasks, and the marks contribution will be 64. In academic writing task, you will get the reports or articles or essays and analysis, argumentative writing. So you have to write. So there will be two tasks. The first task is about short writing, and you will ask to describe, summarize, or explain the information which is presented in a visual graph or text. So the task one usually requires you to summarize, describe, or explain visual or factual information. This could include graph or table, processes, or how something works, maps. Actually, the goal or the key focus area is clarity, logical structure, and complete task fulfillment. The goal is to show your ability to present the information clearly, logically, and in an organized way. So, how you will be doing this task? So, you have to paraphrase the task prompt, then highlight the main trends. That is, if there are any differences or in the life cycle or the process diagrams, there are any stages to mention it. And do provide the details of the body paragraph, such as provide the specific data, comparisons, or steps. Don't copy directly. Use your own words. Sum up the key points if needed. Okay, so these are the key requirements. You have to start with an introduction, then a detail, the supporting details of the body paragraph, and there should be a conclusion. And about the scoring focus, task one is based on your task achievement. Have you answered everything the task asks? The second is coherence and cohesion. Is your writing logical and well structured? And the third one is lexical resource. Are you using precise vocabulary and linking words? The last but not the least is grammatical accuracy. Are your sentence are grammatically correct and varied? Okay, because grammar plays a major role. Don't make any grammatical mistakes. Okay, so that's about the short writing. Coming to the task two, which is extended writing. And how much words you have to write? You have to write 250 words. Task two is an essay style writing task. Okay, you are expected to present and develop ideas on a given topic, often expressing an opinion or discussing an issue or evaluating a situation. Common types of task to are opinion essay. That is, do you agree or disagree? Discussion essay. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Problem solution essay. Identify the problem and suggest the solutions. Advantages, disadvantages essay. And academic excellence, yes, you have to maintain the formal tone, coherent arguments, and logical flow throughout. So, what is the goal? It is to show your ability to organize the ideas, argue logically, and use formal academic English. Okay, so that's about the task two. And about the structure, if you ask me, yes, the structure will be again same introduction. The first paragraph, introduction. What you have to do? You have to paraphrase a question and state your thesis or the position clearly. For example, if they're asking you agree or disagree, if you want to agree, you have to write I agree or I disagree. State your position clearly. The first sentence will be paraphrasing. Paraphrase a question. That will be your introduction part. It should be not too much. Should be very crisp and should be very clear, concise. And coming to the body paragraphs, 2 or 3 body paragraphs you can write. Start each paragraph with the topic sentence. Support your ideas with examples, reasons, or evidence. Most important is use linking words such as furthermore, however, in contrast, as a result. The third, last, is your conclusion part. Summarize the main points. Restate your opinion or the position. So that's about your structure. Introduction, body paragraph, 2 or 3, then your conclusion. So how about the scoring focus? LanguageCert Academic evaluates task 2 based on task achievement. Again, are your ideas relevant and fully developed? Coherence and cohesion. Is your essay logically organized with clear progression? Lexical resource. Are you using precise vocabulary and varied phrases? Grammatical accuracy. Are your sentences correct and varied? Okay. So this is about the task 2. Scoring criteria, I've explained you task achievement, relevance to the prompt and complete response, organization, coherence, linking words and logical flow, grammar accuracy, range and correctness of grammatical structures and vocabulary range, academic vocabulary and natural collocations. High scoring tips. See, plan first. Okay, plan your essay. Spend like 2 or 3 minutes outlining your ideas. Stick to formal language. Okay, avoid contractions or casual expressions. Don't use contractions. Can't, won't, don't. Again, you can use examples or use clear structure. Follow clear structure. Introduction, body, and the conclusion. You can use different sentence type, such as mix simple, compound, and complex sentences. Add linking words. Use advanced vocabulary and cohesive devices. Check your writing. Just leave 2 minutes to proofread. Check your grammar, spelling, and overall coherence. Common mistakes: off-topic writing, a weak structure, ignoring the grammar, and repetitive language. So these are the mistakes that you have to avoid for writing. Template structure, yes, introduction. So I told you already, you have to paraphrase and outline. Okay, just state your position or the opinion. Then comes body paragraph 1. You can support the main idea with supporting examples on the body paragraph 2. You can develop the second idea with relevant example. And last will be your conclusion. You have to summarize the key points. Restate the opinion. So that's about the task. I just have given you the overview of what is writing. That's it. So in the upcoming videos, I'll be sharing in detail about those 2 tasks. Okay. The first task is called short writing in LanguageCert Academic Writing. The first task is usually called the task 1, that is report or summary or short writing. So what you have to do, you have to describe, summarize, or explain the information. Just present it in a visual or factual information. What is your goal? You have to report the information clearly and accurately in your own words. It can be graphs, charts, or tables, or diagrams, or maps. So then what you have to do in your short writing, interaction, paraphrase the task prompt. Overview, you can highlight the main trends, patterns, or stages. And your body paragraphs show comparisons, like the highest or the lowest. Okay, and the conclusion, some of the main points. And you have to focus on the trends and the key points of the task 1. Not every number. Use formal language, linking words like in contrast, as a result, similarly. So that's about the task 1 and task 2. So hope you have understood. I think you got an overview of what is the task 1 and task 2 in the LanguageCert Academic Writing. Okay, so this is about an overview. Hope you found this video informative. And in detail, I'll be doing I'll be doing all the two different tasks in another video. So just like you would have understood what is about the questions in the writing format. Okay, see, make sure you have to follow 5 steps for writing. The first is understand the task. What is the task about? Okay, understand what's the task. Like always read the prompt carefully. Because LanguageCert Academic Writing asks you to summarize, explain, or argue a point. Identify what the task requires and make sure your answer fully addresses it. Missing the main task can cost crucial points. That is the first step. Understand. The second, plan your answers. Spend 1 or 2 minutes for planning. Decide how come you're going to write your introduction, key points for the body, and the conclusion. Because planning keeps your writing organized and coherent, which is critical for scoring in coherence and cohesion. The third step is use academic vocabulary. Use formal academic vocabulary and linking phrases like moreover, in contrast, as a result, avoid casual words. LanguageCert values lexical resource, so showing variety and precision boosts your scores. And the step 4 is focus on the grammar and the sentence structure. As I told you, mix simple, compound, and the complex sentences. Pay attention to subject verb agreements, verb tenses, and the punctuation because accurate grammar is essential for a top score in the grammatical accuracy criteria. And the last step is review your writing. Finally, always review your work. Check for spelling, punctuation, and sentence flow. Even small errors can reduce your score. So take a minute to proofread before submitting. So these are some of the strategies. If you follow this consistently, and you will see a significant improvement in your LanguageCert academic writing. For more tips and examples, watch my other videos. So good luck and happy writing.